Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to improve battery life of your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to battery and here click on battery health and here maximum battery capacity 100% showing. If you would like to get longer battery life, click on smart charging so that it will that is it will slow down battery aging. Intelligent services learns your charging habits and adjust charging pattern accordingly. Okay, so to slow down battery aging, okay, this smart charging can be enabled. Okay, then stop charging at 80%. Just to turn on this button so that you can slow down the battery aging. By charging will stop when the battery level reaches 80%. When your battery of your phone reaches 90%, 80%, where charging will be stopped. Okay, so up to 80%, you can charge maximum, and this will increase your battery life. So in these two ways, just you can just increase battery life, but you can use any one of these two methods at one time. Okay, if you turn on smart charging, you cannot use stop charging at 80%. Okay, if you turn off smart charging, and then only you can turn on stop charging at 80%. Okay, if you turn on smart charging while the second option stop charging at 80% turned on, automatically second option will be turned off. Okay, see here, if I turn on second option, first option will be turned off. Okay, so you can either use any one of these two way. Okay, so in these methods you can easily increase battery life in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.